Imagine a world where plants do the work for you. A world where you plant once and get endless new specimens without spending a single dime on seeds. Sounds like a dream, right? But it's not. It's nature's sneaky way of multiplying. Welcome to the world of self-seeding indoor plants, where Mother Nature does all the work for you and you just sit back. Boston Fern. You might not see seeds, but ever notice those tiny spores on the fronds? That's how Boston Fern multiplies. You can collect the spores, sprinkle them onto the soil, and boom, a brand new fern is born. Asparagus Fern. Same game as Boston Fern. Collect those spores, and in no time, you'll have more of this elegant beauty gracing your indoor space. Nasturtium. Finally, we're talking about a real self-seeder. Nasturtium will happily scatter its seeds after flowering, and with just a little attention, you'll have a pot full of fresh plants ready to bloom again and again. Calendula. Calendula is another top contender. Just let the flowers dry out, collect the seeds, and plant them in well-draining mix. This cheerful plant is ready to take over your indoor garden with minimal effort. Basil. Yes, your favorite herb does it too. After flowering, basil produces seeds in tiny pods. Shake the plant and collect the seeds for endless aromatic plants. Cilantro. With a bit of sunlight and warmth, this plant will flower and produce seeds ready for you to plant again. Talk about endless flavor in your kitchen. Think we're done with this list? Oh no, we've got even more surprises coming. Mother of millions. You might be thinking, wait a minute, this doesn't really seed. And you're right, but that doesn't mean it won't give you free plants. Instead of seeds, this clever plant grows tiny pups along its leaf edges. You simply snip them off and voila, you've got a new plant ready to go. Mother of thousands. Just like its cousin, this plant doesn't self-seed traditionally. But here's where it shines. Instead of seeds, it produces thousands of little plantlets along its leaf edges, just waiting to be potted into a new home. Free plants? Yes, please. String of pearls. Now let's talk about a real favorite, string of pearls. While it doesn't seed often indoors, you can actually propagate it using its tiny pearl-like leaves that look just like seeds. Just cut a few, lay them on soil, and soon you'll have a cascade of pearls. So there you have it. Whether they use pups, spores, or good old-fashioned seeds, these plants will keep multiplying, giving you more and more greenery for your indoor garden. Which of these plants are you most excited to grow? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more plant-tastic videos like this one. Thanks for watching.